Hey there, ready to level up your English? In just a few minutes, we're going to dive into a super cool tool that will make you sound way more natural when you're speaking. It's called the question tag. See that little thing I just did at the end there, don't you? That is a question tag. And trust me, it's not just some weird grammar thing. It's a total game changer for turning a simple statement into a real conversation. So what's the point? Well, question tags are basically your secret weapon for checking stuff you're pretty sure is right, and, even better, for keeping a chat from dying. They keep things flowing.
And here's the really interesting part. It's all about the purpose. You're not actually asking a real question to get new info. It's more like you're saying, hey, I think this is right, but just nod along with me, okay? It's a way to pull people in and get them to agree with you.
Okay, if you remember one thing, remember this. It's all about opposites. Think of it like a magnet. If your main sentence is positive, you are coming, your tag has to be negative, aren't you? And if the sentence is negative, she isn't here, the tag flips to positive. Is she? That push and pull is everything. All right, let's get into how you actually make these things. Don't worry, there are really just two basic rules you need to know to get it right every single time. Rule number one is the easy one, for sure. If your sentence already has one of those little helper verbs, like is, have, can, will, you just snatch it, make it the opposite, and stick the pronoun on the end. Bam, done. So look at this. He can swim, the tag becomes can't he? Or they don't like pizza. That flips to do they? See, it's that simple. You just find that helper verb and do the opposite. Okay, but what happens when you look and there's no helper verb? What do you do with a sentence like, she likes coffee? There's no is or can to grab onto. Well, don't panic. English has a secret weapon for this, and it's the word do. And this rule is super simple, too. If the sentence is happening now, in the present, you use do or does. If it happened in the past, you use did. So, for our example, she likes coffee. That's present tense. It gets, doesn't she? They went to school. That's past tense, so it gets, didn't they? Makes sense, right? Okay, pop quiz. It's your turn. How would you finish this one? She usually comes in late. What do you think? Yes, it's doesn't she. Perfect. The sentence is positive, it's in the present, and we're talking about she, so we need doesn't. See, you're totally getting the hang of this, aren't you? Okay, you've totally got the basics down. So now, let's level up. We're going to look at a few special cases that will make you sound like a true native speaker. So here are a few you just kind of have to remember. If you give a command, like write it down, the tag is always will you. If you make a suggestion with let's, like let's go, it's always shall we. And for tricky words like nobody or someone, you use they in the tag. Easy enough. All right, brace yourselves for the weirdest one of all. There's this one major exception that just throws all the logic out the window. It's the one for I am. So think about it. If you follow the rules we just learned, the tag for I'm still employed should be anti. But just try saying that out loud. Anti? It sounds super weird and clunky, doesn't it? And the correct answer is aren't I? I know. It makes zero logical sense, but that's just how it is. It's one of those weird quirks of English you just have to file away in your brain. I'm late, aren't I? Okay, one last thing before we wrap up. I want to quickly show you something that looks like a question tag, but is completely different. It's called an echo question, and knowing the difference is super important. The difference is all about your reason for asking. A question tag is for confirming something. An echo question is for showing surprise. So if your friend says, I won the lottery, you're not confirming it. You're shocked. So you'd say, you did? See the difference? One is a check, the other is a reaction. Okay, that was a lot, but you did great. So let's just quickly recap the most important things so you can start using these today. Just remember this checklist. Number 1, opposites attract, positive statement, negative tag, and vice versa. 2, if there's a helper verb, just borrow it. 3, no helper, no problem. Just use a form of do. And 4, don't forget those weird ones like let's go, shall we? And the crazy one, I'm late, aren't I? And there you have it. Question tags are honestly such a great way to sound more natural and keep conversations moving. This all makes sense now, doesn't it? Awesome. Now go out there and try them out for yourself.